Yes, so Liverpool won, Chelsea won. Tough game. Both team no agree for each other. You understand? Last, both team they can share point, carry 1 point go out. But we get one very obongelistic football fan and very obongelistic Chelsea fan with us here today. Oga Kesta, make Oga Kesta come tell us about how you see the game. Oga Kesta, Chelsea play most part of the game, one man down, but last
Yes.
half the game still end 1-1. I beg, tell us how you see this game and how you see Chelsea performance today.
Man, to be honest with everybody, after they give that red card, no, before they give the red card, I already say, okay, we will take 0-0, 1-0 to finish the first half.
First half.
Second half, now we know what we want to do. But before I think that thing finish, the referee don't make one stupid decision. So at the end of the day, the thing called 1-1. But this 1-1, when the game end, you should not tell me now, say Chelsea don't mature. How can the Liverpool team draw Chelsea 1-1 for Anfield? You know, that
With
will
one
speak
man
volume.
down.
Say, it speak volume. Say Chelsea can't work. They not come play.
True, no be lie. No be lie. Yeah, you talked something about the referee decision.
Yeah.
That decision which the referee make for the 45 minutes plus 3 minutes for inside stoppage time. Now the referee they make the decision to give
Mm,
Rich James red card. So, but I know
yes.
see different people. That one are one of the talking points for inside the match. Different people get different opinion, but I am
Yes.
would like get your opinion about how you see that decision. For you, na penalty and a red card, or for you, no be penalty or not be red card. Just tell us how you see it.
Uh, if not penalty, definitely the referee will give a red card, no doubt. Uh-huh. Because he blocked the ball, may not enter the goal.
Go,
And our goal line
go
9 day.
band, yes.
Yes, 9 day. So what do you mean? If you ask me, I'll tell you yes, a penalty, no doubt. Now red card, now red card. But see my problem with the referee. The referee decides he give a decision based on frame work. Before he reach there, the penalty, the thing don't pause. Reach
They don't
time
give
for
a
him to
yes.
operate the machine by himself. So when he get there, the ball already paused, the game don't pause, the ball they Rich James' hand, immediately turn back, give red card, and penalty. So at the end of the day, the referee decision, right decision, but the way he go about making the decision right, not wrong.
So to you now, you want to make it check the full event
You
of the way the
suppose
thing
check,
they happen. Like check
yes,
the video normal, see how it
yes,
go. You understand before you
yeah,
make the
yeah.
decision.
Now be judge of the game, now be judge of the game, you know understand? So you suppose see every case, how the ball waka pass. But soccer referee go still fit blow say no be penalty because the ball hit the James lap first before e touch him hand. Meaning the James panic. When you dey panic like this, you don't get control of your body again. So the ball hit him lap, touch him hand. So referee go say no be penalty. Oh. You know understand? So referee no go even blow fast sef. No matter how they watch the slow motion, they no go blow because
Yes.
the fact that the ball hit the lap first, it don't turn the case one time. But on the other hand, some other referee go still blow say na penalty. If you ask me, if na Liverpool person the ball do like that, I go say na penalty. One, Chelsea sentiment as a fan go come to play. But if you comot sentiment aside, say okay, na me blow that game, I go blow penalty. And anytime they make me blow penalty,
You give
na
red card.
obstruction of the goal be that.
Mhm.
Na red card. But I go watch the whole
The
scenario.
whole scenario, yes.
Yes, I it
You
happen.
make your judgment.
Correct, correct. I'm not gonna make decision off framework of
Okay.
computer. No, I'm not gonna do that thing.
All right, now no be lie. We don't hear Oga Kesta about how you see that incident where happen when regimes take collect red card. So, but Oga Kesta,
Mm-hmm.
we see the on performance from Chelsea. You say Chelsea mean work. So, but make we just go straight to the player rating. Edward Mendy, what you go rate him on a scale of 1 to 10?
Nine.
9. So you never rate all the players. So you did before you go reach the all the rest people. You did tell me saying that Mendy be your man of the match for this game.
Nice save Chelsea. You know understand? Nice save Chelsea. Decision making. Now sometimes the service they count, but sometimes your control for the boss 18 and the 16.
Line, everything.
Yes, that one another thing. You control everybody well. In as much as the lack of communication caused that penalty. When the ball bounced come where in the, if you look at him again, Alonso head the ball. Communication can't play for that. He don't say tell Alonso, or he make himself visible for Alonso. If he catch that ball before Alonso go head that ball, you know that's so. Communication. If you go watch the slow motion again, you go see communication that caused that t-shirt. But at the end of the day, still, if not be him, Chelsea for not do that game.
Okay, so for you, Mendy, man of your match. All right, now Azpilicueta, what do you go rate him?
8.
Okay, Christensen.
8.5.
Rudiger.
8.
Reece James.
I'll give him 6.
Jorginho.
I'll give him 7.5.
N'Golo Kante.
I'll give him 7.5.
Alonso.
I'll give him 7.
Kai Havertz.
Well, I'll give him 8 because he scored the goal.
Okay. Mason Mount.
I'll give him 8.5.
Romelu Lukaku.
Stop. I'll give Lukaku 7.5, roughly 8. 7.5. The meter between 7.5 and 8.
All right, now love you lie. What about the substitute Thiago Silva, Kovacic, and Trevor Chalobah?
Kovacic, get what I see today. When if I want to respect Kovacic before I go respect her, Kovacic did that game, man. Kovacic, he calmed the team. You know understand? Defense. So because he get one duel, he win one duel. You know understand? Yeah. So I'll give Kovacic 7.5.
Okay. Then Silva.
I'll give Silva 6.
Okay. What about Chalobah? I know but what do you go rate down?
No. Silva almost cost us the game for one place like that. Yeah,
so what do you go rate Chalobah?
I'll not give her anything.
All right, now no be lying now, Kesta. Good one to have you, and thank you as to give us your time.
What about the coach rating and the referee rating?
No, Ahala, we'll not go do that one. We'll leave that one for next time. All right, now, Kesta, you too much. Thank you for your time.
Okay, now you too much.